commercial break.
We're back, and now she's making the top of the pie.
Because
And-
it's like there's no commercial, it's just a video.
And you know what else? We have Carrie over here. She's getting the ingredients for the top of the cake, which is brown sugar and sugar, which will be sprinkled on the very top. Kim has decided there will be leaves because she is
But if
not
we're
an
not going to
artist.
cover the whole thing, how are we doing leaves? I thought we wanted to lattice this one.
We're going to put
Are we
a
gonna
couple
lattice
leaves on top. Oh, I thought we were just
Of
making
the lattice.
Yes. Yes.
Or we could leave the cherry one.
Yes. Let's just
Maybe
lattice.
not.
Let's just
Okay.
lattice the apple pie and leaf the cherry. What?
That's all right.
And what
sugar in
is
I'm
there
sorry, the
pumpkin?
sugar's right there then.
Here's
Bring it.
Michelle.
She's just
What about
fucking
brown
with
sugar?
you.
Brown sugar's over there at the top. You may not be able to reach it. It's on the bottom shelf.
Look. Let's see if she can reach it.
It's a challenge. Next hand
She's just
over.
staring up there. She goes, "Yeah, no." Okay. Back to you. We're making the lattice now. We're going to strip it down and undress it. Mary has been a chef in this kitchen for over 10 years and loves to cook.
Hey, Sex. Sex is great though. I paid benefits.
There you have it. And there
There
you
you
have
go.
it.
There you go. That's what
I can
really
make all of
counts.
these cast-offs.
You can. That's true.
Cast
I didn't
offs?
think about it.
I like a good cast off.
I had a cast on.
Hi.
I had a cast on last year. Did you see that? My cast was off last year.
And you got a cast off.
Wait till you see this video.
Oh my God.
We'll be right back after this commercial message.